Dansoy cooking, bringing you a healthy salad. We got Italian salad, Monterey and Jack cheese, lemon juice. We got minced onion, cilantro, parsley. And on my next plate, I got cucumber. I got chicken breast, tomato, mushrooms, and tuna. This is a quick meal. You can do it fast. It's healthy. There on the plate, I got the Italian salad, and it has a mix of red in there. So you just start throwing stuff on there. Like you throw some cucumbers on there. And like with the salad, you can do it to whatever is your taste. Then just throw some mushrooms in there. And if you want, you can just put the tuna salad to the side. And here's like chicken breast. You can just put that on there. Then if you want, with the cheese, just toss some cheese down there. And you can see it all coming together. And now I'm just going to take my tomato and just toss that around. You could already see we're starting to build the salad. And you can basically, like I said, make it to your standards. Like there's the tuna, there's chicken in there and everything. Here I just have some miscellaneous stuff. And then after that, you want to take your minced onion. You can sprinkle that all around. You can take parsley, put that there. And you can see like how it's coming together. You're losing the ingredients, but you start out with those basics. And now I'm going to just take some lemon juice, and I'm just going to hit a kick. Just throw that lemon in there, and it's basically done. Then I'm going to take my last ingredients, which is cilantro, and I'm going to put that on top, which is a little bit of tanginess from like the Mexican recipes, like cilantro. Cilantro is really good, but you see it right there. It's all come together, and the cilantro will really give a kick to that. So basically that's it. Dansoy. Like I said, I started out with salad, lemon juice, cheeses, my spices, and I put everything together, and it makes a simple meal. So God bless, peace out. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for being a part of my channel, and I'll be bringing you a lot of recipes in the future. And with this recipe, you can actually top it with Thousand Island dressing, balsamic oil and vinegar, or olive oil, whatever you want to. But peace out, God bless. Talk to you soon.